Hi everyone. I'm sorry I can't be with you this afternoon. I've had to take my little girl to a doctor's appointment, so Hayley's kindly agreed to cover the session for me. So as it's our last session, I just wanted to send you a quick video just to say I hope you enjoyed the session with Hayley today. The whole session is on motivational interviewing, so please come with a positive can-do approach because that's what motivational interviewing is all about. I think most groups are pretty well on the way with the group work now. There will be time at the end of today's session to work more on your group work. So yeah, we'll be getting feedback off Hayley, obviously as well, see how you got on in the session. Yeah, so enjoy it. And if there's anything around the group, you can Zoom me. So if people aren't sure what Zoom is, it's basically just a video conference call. So I've got one booked in with one group. And remember, I need at least 2 or 3 weeks' notice with my diary. I can't, unless I get something cancelled. Normally, my diary's booked up. So don't leave it too last minute. And I'll see next time I see you all, then will be when you're doing your presentations. All right, have a good afternoon. Bye.